Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. My name is Steven. Once again, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about Uniscale, where I work. Yes, what are we aiming to solve here? I think it's better to just bring it out in putting the problems first, right? So what we found out is that many times in our industry, software development industry, we have disparities in requirements understanding. So you have an issue where you have let's say project stakeholders, clients, whoever they may be, who define what they want to build. They come and they say want to build so and so. They share it with the project manager. Project manager shares it with the team, and the team builds a prototype, and then the prototype is not exactly what they wanted. You would think the obvious remedy to that would be software documentation, which it is, and we embrace that. So, but that only solves half the problem, because many times you would have this software documentation where everything is defined, assuming it's defined very well and in detail, and then 3-4 months down the road something changes, and let's say you built a prototype and you need to make some few changes. So when you do make these changes, the software, the project manager is then forced to update his software documentation to make sure that it is on par with what was built. What ends up happening with that is you may end up deleting a few things that were initially in the initial document, and which could also be important for reference. But or in trying to solve that, they end up creating a new document that is based off the previous one that has the new changes. But what happens also with that is over time you have 1,000 documents that you can't easily manage. So what does Uniscale do? Uniscale pretty much comes and tries to bridge that gap. So tries to make everything systematic and bridge that gap as well. And also there's also another problem I want to highlight, which is small changes can come up and developers go ahead and fix those changes, but that's not documented. And if that is not documented, there's a disparity between the documentation and what was actually put in the system. So what am I going to do? I'm going to pretty much create a simple project. I'm going to document it. I'm going to assume quite a few roles. I'm going to assume a project manager role. I'll do the documenting. In a second video, I will assume a systems analyst, mapping out the documentation to services that will handle that. And I'll also assume a third role of a software architect who will try and model out this software using Uniscale. And at the end of that, I'll create an SDK. From there, I will assume the role of a software developer building this application. So I'll build the front end and I'll build some back ends using Uniscale, so that you see what our solution does and what it aims to solve. So yeah, hope everyone enjoys the ride. If you have any questions, jump down in the comments, and hope everyone has fun with this. Thank you very much. Hi everyone, hope you enjoyed that video. So don't forget, subscribe, like, all that, comment, ask questions in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. Yeah, have a good one. See you on the next video. Thank you.